Hi guys, this is Manvi Singh. I am a student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company. So the topic is an analysis of Model Tenancy Act 2020-21. The right to shelter is a fundamental right provided to citizens under Article 21 of the Constitution. In the leading case of Chameli Singh versus State of UP, the court, while applauding that right to shelter is fundamental right, said shelter for human being is not mere protection of his life and climb. It is a home protection. It is a home where he has the opportunity to grow physically, mentally, and intellectually and spiritually. Right to shelter is a fundamental right guaranteed under Article 19, Clause 1, Clause E, read with Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Now, in the past decades, India has seen a tremendous increase in urbanization, which has caused people to move from urban to rural areas. In such a better of life perspective, which leads in the overcrowding, and in these cities which were not yet ready and to cater to the housing need to such large population, and this lead to this to the creation of roadside housing and slums. Now the recent law in India are governed by Rent Control Act of individual states. However, these acts have many loopholes which deters people from investing in the rental real estates business. Under the present Rent Control Act, the amount of rent that the landlord can ask for has to be a percentage of the amount and they had invested in its construction. Now, the present rental law discouraging tenants to from moving into a recent house as they don't put any upper limitation on security deposit that landlord can ask for. Furthermore, there is no more provisions mandating landlords to give the receipt of payment of the rents to the tenants, as a result of which tenants are under the perpetual threat of evidence on a false charges of non-payment of rent. Now the some key feature of the act. This act clearly defines the obligation and the power of both tenants and landlords, thus minimizing the occurrence of petty issues between them. Under the present informal structure, houses are given on the rent basis on informal oral agreement, which is several cases later become a bone of contention between the parties involved. Now, this act mandate the creation of district rent authority, where the parties have submitted a written agreement for the tenancy specifying the rent amount and the duration for which the property has been rented. Now, furthermore, as per section 23 of the act, the tenant has to vacate the premises at the end of tenancy, or in case of non-compliance, they shall be liable to pay enhanced rent. This act also restricts the tenant from subletting the permission premise, excepting cases from they are already had supplementary agreement for the same. Now the conclusion of this topic is, as per the date 2011 census, more than 1 crore houses in India are lying vacant. The Model Tenancy Act, that aims at bringing transparency and accountability in the rental housing business, is a much welcomed step and has the potential to resolve the issue of housing shortage in India. The Model Tenancy Act has efficiently addressed the problem of modern rental houses issues and tries to strike a balance between the rights and the obligation of both tenant and landlord. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much listening me. Like, comment and share.